I got my first experience with a dental microscope when I was a student. One of my professors prepared a partial crown during one of his lectures. And I was impressed how many details I was able to detect. Without a microscope, it is simply impossible to see everything you need to see to conduct a reliable treatment. Well, in general dentistry, you are not able, for example, to see the distal part of a lower molar after caries excavation. And with the help of a microscope, you are able to check the fit of a matrix. Another benefit is that it's healthy to use a dental microscope because you always sit upright during your treatment and you don't have to bend yourself in order to be able to see anything. The dentist usually looks through the microscope at all times, and you need an assistant, a dental nurse, who hands you almost everything. It takes some communication, a good communication between a dentist and a dental nurse, and some training, but after you will have a high benefit and your treatment is much more efficient. The dental microscope is indispensable for almost every single endodontic treatment. The most important and significant benefit is to be able to find all hidden canals, very narrow canal orifices, and also to detect some cracks in case of infection. In many cases, it is only possible to save a tooth with the help of a microscope, and you don't have to be aware of anything because you can see everything, and this makes the treatment quite convenient and easy.